taking a quick video to see if we can get some better definition here. It's interesting. And some of the holes have like brown spots in them on this one. And then this one, it's only part of the board. This looks like some kind of a webbing to me up here in the corner. But then this, the back side of this one doesn't have anything. It's only on 1.5. But the back side of this other one, I just flipped this one around and it's got it on the back side as well. And it's like different depths in the holes, and then there's some kind of stuff on the outside. I don't know.